Are you a Salesforce admin aspiring to be a developer? You have tried many things. Do you think coding is not my cup of tea? I'm not from a computer background, so I'm not good at coding. Coding doesn't come naturally to me. Does your brain get freeze when you see code? If you are able to relate to this problem, then you are at the right space. Let me tell you a secret. Salesforce developers are normal people, just like you and me. They do not have any special powers. They're just normal people. But they do know one secret, which was kept for a long time. Now the secret is out. The secret is learn Apex 20% and code 80%. In case if you are wondering what exactly this is a course that we have set up in order to make sure that whatever the secret that developers were keeping from you, it is out in the open. We strongly believe that why should developers have all the fun? As a part of this Udemy course, learn Apex 20% and code 80%. These are the highlights that you would get. Real-time scenarios with project examples, step by step, know how the developers would read the code requirements with the value-added examples, 20 plus commonly used code requirements with a hand-on examples for you to try with answers, tips and process to remember the syntax, get grip on the Apex concepts which are used 80%, know why before using the concept, learn how to break the requirements in coding, change your mindset towards coding. All those things, in addition to the concepts that you will be learning, is at one place, which is nothing but Udemy course. Now, your transition from an admin to developer is just one step away. Where can you get our course? It is on Udemy. I usually get this question from the students when I tell them that there is a secret recipe in our course. They would ask me one question: how can you be sure that I can start writing the code after taking this course? Well, we'll be going through a secret recipe of coding. You will know what goes in that format/structure. Using this format, you can write any code of your requirement. The requirement may change, but the structure that we'll be going to share would be there with few minor tweaks. Feel free to repeat after me. I'm taking the leap into the Apex Valley, and I know that the net will appear. Use the above statement as a power code to get back on track whenever you feel like giving up in your Apex journey. We have made this course with so much of love, and I'm very excited to see you on the other side. Let's join the developer community. You do not have to run to a developer every time from now on to understand what they have written. Maybe in a couple of days from now, you can start writing your code. I welcome you all to this journey that we have. Feel free to check it out and do let us know your feedback. Thank you.